Hello everyone, welcome to Junk Journals by Jen, where journaling is about the journey. Today I want to take you along with me to open up a package I got to do Dephemberember, which is a project that Barbara at 49 Dragonflies and Luise all put together, and I will link them down below so you can see the lead up to this project. But basically, you pick a partner and you exchange 50 scrap pieces, and then you can use those in your making of the prompts that are Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And there's a prompt list out already. It starts on December 1st, so Monday. And I'm going to unpack my scraps from my partner. Her name is Barbara, and she did a video on her opening of her box from me also, and I will link that below as well, as if I can. If not, I will link her name so you can go look at it. She's a small channel too, just starting out, so I encourage you to go check out her videos. But without further ado, let's open this one. I'm really excited about this. It's going to be so much fun. And there's a note on top. It says, "Hi Jen, I'm so excited to do Dephemberember with you this year. Hope you can use these items. Thanks so much for inviting me for this fun adventure, Barbara." Yay, it is going to be fun. All right, let's see here. The first thing we have is this package. I'm gonna move that out of the way. But we got this package here, and it is paper clipped together. Looks like it's been sewn too. How nice. Let's see. All right. Ooh, so many nice things. And this is really nice. Oh, there's something else in there. All right. Ooh, here's some washi tape. Oh, I love this paper. I don't know if it's dyed somehow. It's really pretty. It feels like it. Strawberry cream pie. Oh, those look good. And it's a little, you know, you can use it as cardboard or whatever, little packaging. I love that. We've got some scrapbook papers here. Ooh, I love these colors. Purple and black. So pretty. Another washi tape. This one's green. Some trees in it, maybe. Little button. This is cool. I don't know what this is. This is neat though. It's got numbers punched out here with little perfect circles. Can do something with that. Oh my gosh, she knows I love dragonflies. Look at this. I do, I love dragonflies. That is so pretty. Green, that's her favorite color. It's one of my favorite colors too. Oh, these, I love it when she makes these little, like scrappy pieces. Would go on the edge of a page or a little cluster somewhere. What is this? Ooh, green stickers. They're round laser inkjet stickers from Avery. Ooh, that's pretty. More purples. I'm getting some definite ideas from this. Oh, this is cool. That's really neat. Wow. I hope she likes her stuff as much as I like mine. Let's get away. That's so cool. Escape 2. This is like the weight of tracing paper maybe, but I'm not sure what it is. Has a really nice crinkliness to it. Oh wow, look at this. This is super green. I'm not sure what that's made out of. If that's I'm not sure. Was that a dryer sheet? No way. I don't know, but that's really cool. Oh, my favorite color, turquoise. Love it. Both sides. Oh, these are cute. Oh, some more labels. Those are always handy. Here's another piece of that. I wonder, Barbara, you're going to have to tell me what this is made out of. Oh my gosh, huge puzzle pieces. I love that. I love doing stuff with puzzle pieces anyway. That is really cool. Some more labels, some square labels. Another puzzle piece. That's really great because you can gesso it and then stamp on it or do all kinds of things. Pretty excited about that. Oh, here's a little thing of tags that are all together. What is this? This says Merry Christmas. I want to open it and see. Oh, look, another button. This is like Christmas. Oh, these are so cute. All good wishes for Christmas. There's a bunch of them. Oh, that one's so cute. All right. There's some jute rope maybe and some charms. Neat. Another button. What is this? Oh, this is something she made. She sewed it and it's a pocket. That's so cute. Here's a tag and she sewed, not sold. Sewed a little pocket on there. Oh, this is so much fun. Look at that. That's pretty. Some more labels. And then here's a piece of applique. That is gorgeous. What is this? Best wishes. It's an envelope and it's really super heavy duty. Okay, so that's what was in that. That's what was in one package. And then in the box, we've also got, these look like eclair boxes to me. I don't know what was in them, but that's what I think of. And there's two of these. Let's open this one first. What a clever idea to use this for packaging. Okay, wow. Oh my gosh. Just made a ruffle. Some black lace, which I love to use lace in my journals. It's funny, I gave her a piece of this type of thing, but different colors. Oh, I love that. That's so beautiful. This would be perfect for my lace bookmarks I make. Oh yeah, that is so pretty. It looks like it's been dyed gray maybe. Some maroon lace. Then there's some velvet ribbons. Oh, how nice. Blue and green. Those are pretty. Another lace. Some more lace. Oh man, I love it. Oh my God, this is so cute. One of those clusters and she put some brown fringe on it. I love that just how it is. I'm gonna put that with the other stuff. That is so cool. Oh, these little flowers. Oh, another one of those beautiful clusters. And another cluster. Okay, that was fun. Man, it feels like Christmas. Really does. So I'm going to try to keep up with the filming schedule, which it'll be a video Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Oh, there's a bunch of letters, cut out letters. I love that. I love anything cut out from a book page. Or there's some of these Rolodex cards. Those are cool. Ooh, some blank ones. Some little people from olden times. Another torn out picture. These are really cool. Ooh, that's neat. The Titanic. I love these little pictures like this. It's funny, I gave her a bunch of old pictures too. I hope she likes them then. There's one. That's really neat. White Star Line. That's cool. Some more letters. Chapter 2. Try to not lose these letters. There's an O. She took a lot of time with this. Oh, there's another guy. This is funny that we both did that. I love it. Yeah, you'll need to go. Well, you don't need to, but if you want to watch the video of her opening what I got her, I think it would be interesting to see the comparisons and contrasts. Oh, that is a cool picture. Look at her dress. Another neat picture. I'm going to have so much fun making stuff out of all this. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Picture of a boat. Is that the Titanic? Yep. This says White Star Line as well. Let's see what this big one says. Contents. And another White Star Line, like a ticket. Okay, cool. So those are those. And then there's more stuff in this box. I can't even believe it. Let's see what this stuff is. All right, we've got, wow, some more buttons, some little shaker, like bell beads. Well, that is so pretty. Look at that. Thank you so much. All right. What are these? Oh, these look like the type you peel and Smeed, keeping you organized. Yeah, that's cool. I love this. She used this on my journal, this leather type embossed leather piece. Oh my gosh, this one is so pretty as well. It's like, it's the Monica pattern, it says. Really cool. Oh, I like how these are, ooh, I have an idea for this already. Some papers from a dictionary. Love dictionary papers. They're out of the L's. And then, ooh, Oriental Lilies and Amaryllis papers. Oh, look at this. Dragonflies, love them. I have a dragonfly tattoo. I have dragonflies all over my house. I guess that's where she got the idea. She probably saw them all over my house when she came to visit. Okay, that is everything. That's so much stuff. My gosh. Thank you so much, Barbara, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll post the links down below for the other videos and Barbara's videos of her opening her stuff.
And that's it for today. Check out my Etsy shop, which is linked below. I've got a sale going on right now too, 25% off all journals. So, all right, everybody, have a great night. Bye.